Di mo na kailangan mag-ibang bansa kung meron ditong murang mabibilan sa Plaridel. Tara, Yumakano, alam nyo ba, nalaman ko, kami napadpad dito sa Banga First Plaridel, Bulacan upang mag-shopping dito sa SG Finds Manila. Madami kang makikita dito, katulad ng Crocs na may classic clogs, all-terrain, mellow slide, light ride, eco clogs, platform clogs, band, sandals, mega crush, and for kids. May G-Bits na as low as 75 pesos ang isa at pag more than 5, 50 pesos na lang ang isa. May Birkenstock na may 2-strap, 3-strap, slides, gize at 1-strap. Merong Veja shoes na below market price from 12K, 10,950 pesos na lang dito. Nike and Jordan shoes na naka-markdown ng price like ito na 7,990 to 3,990 pesos na lang. Meron ding New Balance na shoes, Nike na slides, Monobo sandals and slides na made from Thailand, Converse sa CDG na limited edition, Adidas Samba at Tokuten shoes. For the bags, meron ditong Gentlewoman, Steve Madden, Lacoste Reversible and Tote Bags, House of Little Bonnie, Shoulder Bags, Duffel Bags from Adidas, Lululemon, Smiggle na for kids. Kung pabango naman ay meron silang Bath and Body Works na mist at body lotion and cream. Meron din Victoria's Secret na mist and Decant na perfect for travel at different brands na perfume. For clothes, merong shirts and hoodies na essentials, CDG na shirts, Donya dress at polo shirts ng iba-ibang brands. And lastly, may accessories such as gold necklace and earrings. May watch like Casio, 9 West at Mission to the Moon. Kung bibisita nga pala kayo, open sila from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. Malapit lang sila sa Walter Mart Plaridel at nasa Waze app. They deliver as well if umorder kayo sa kanilang page. So ready ka na ba mag-shopping? Arat na dito sa SG Finds Manila sa Plaridel, Bulacan. Let's go!